Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread and my catch-all, which is Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. I am going to be planning for the week of June 23rd through the 29th. So super like last week officially of June. I don't even know when the time went. So yeah, let's get going. I pulled out my pages. I'm gonna pull out some stickers and we'll go from there. So today I wanted to make a spread with Live Love Posh. So it's going to be the Beautiful Bright Blooms. I have this book and I forgot that I have it, and it's so gorgeous. So it is time to use it, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a go. I have found these really beautiful realistic florals that I thought are going to be really good for this. So that's what we're going to use. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so happy you found me. If you have been here before, welcome back. I am so happy you're here and spending more time with me. So as always, I'm going to start with bullet points. And as you guys know, I do not draw the actual lines. I just do the dots and kind of work off of the dots. I just like a writing kind of free fall, so that's why I do it. Let me know what you guys like to do, whether you like checklists, there are stickers, whether you like bullet points, whether you like lines without bullet points, whether you like both. What is your style of a checklist, and are you a list maker? So I really do like having my lists in my planner so I can glance and know what I'm doing. I can free up a little bit of my brain for other stuff this way, because my brain no longer has to think about what needs to be done constantly. I know I can refer to my planner and I'll know what needs to get done. So that is kind of where I am with this. I think it's pretty great. Um, so yeah, I really like how this is turning out with the bullet points lately. So I've been filling them in with like a black pen. I will show you soon what that looks like. Can't wait to show you guys. So you will see when we flip through June, right? Which is so soon. You guys, I also did a planner update in my last video. So not much is changing, but I am incorporating lots of different stuff in there. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like it and so on. I just need to figure out what needs to happen as far as keeping them together. Especially my work one, I have switched it so many times, you guys. Huge struggle. I don't know. For right now, what I have is working, but with that one, I feel it's only a matter of time before the whole thing crashes again. And I'm gonna have to find a different system. So let me know what you guys think of those. If you watched it too. If not, go ahead and watch that video as well. You might find some stuff useful. Maybe not, but I would really appreciate it. Okay, let's keep going. So as you can see, these clusters of flowers are quite large, and I really, really like them. So they're going to look a little bit different in my planner since I haven't used a realistic florals in a little bit. So that's what it is for right now. These are gorgeous. So some of them are on paper backing, some of them are on clear. The clear ones I'm kind of layering on top since they don't show as much of the outline. So that's kind of how I've been doing things. Let me know what you think. Also, I'm so sorry about my nails, you guys. I am trying to grow them out and start doing my own nails. I normally wear press-ons, but I'm kind of tired because once in a while they pop off and then I have to look for glue in the middle of something. So now I just want to paint them and call it a day. So yes, they look atrocious because I'm doing them myself. I am learning and they're gonna get better. So yeah, there's that. Um, yeah. I don't know. Let's keep going. So I'm gonna add some flowers in here as well. I think that's a good flower, although it is pretty transparent because it is a daisy. So you see that yellow center and like a shadow of white. So yeah, that's what it is. I'm also going to pull out a washi tape out of that book. These are true washi's. So they are on washi paper. Oh my gosh, I need my camera. Okay, my camera has stabilized. So yeah, they are on washi paper, and that's kind of how it goes. I do need skinny um, boxes as always for a work schedule. So that's what we're gonna use. I'm using different ones this time. I'm playing around with this and trying to make it as fun as possible for myself. So there we go. I'm gonna add a green one here. So red, green, and pink are kind of going to be the floating theme of this spread. I did pull out a girl or two out of my pet tape collection to kind of add that as well. So I don't know if I'm gonna have space or not. So at the end we'll decide whether we want to incorporate them. Hopefully yes, because they are so adorable, you guys. They truly are. So more boxes. Okay, so I will just keep going. Okay, here we go. That is good. So like pale pink. There's so much stuff going on this week, you guys. I have so many appointments. I'm starting professional like personal trainer Pilates. So we're gonna see how that goes. Been doing Pilates at home, but I don't think I'm doing it properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and learn professionally and see where that takes me because I really do need to figure out a like an exercise for me that's going to work. I can't seem to stick and I can't stay motivated. If you guys have tips about that too, I will always take any tips you guys have because that is not easy, right? So here we go. Okay, so these are the pet tapes. Some of them are not fully summer, but some of them in here are summer. So look at that one with like the green dress. She doesn't have anything except like a light sweater and a dress. That will work for me. So we're gonna put her down here. She's gonna live right there in my planner, and she's gonna be pretty happy, you guys, because she doesn't have a choice. Okay. So next up, we're gonna go ahead and put this girl. And I think as far as the girls, I might call it a day. I might add some flowers in here, but I don't want to overwhelm a lot of things in my planner. I do like a full spread. However, I can make that happen with writing and checklists and other things. So that's where I'm gonna kind of focus on. So let's go ahead and add this washi into. So I just want to play with this a little bit and make it fun and different and kind of stand out. Because like I said, a lot of times the spreads when you use the same stickers are so very similar. So don't be afraid to mix things. Don't be afraid to like add stuff. But if you like a spread, it's okay to get an inspiration from it too. So yeah, let's go ahead and put one more. Awesome. One more here and then on Sunday, and then I can go ahead and add some more florals or greenery and see how that looks. Yeah, the two girls I feel like added so much to the spread. So yeah, for me that was definitely worth it. I put a little piece right here, and then I'm just gonna have like the smallest remaining piece that I don't even have to use. Okay, so here we go with that. I think that looks great. Now, how about I take some of the stuff off of the pet tapes to like match the girls, so it's the same like sheen and stuff of the sticker, I don't know, I just feel like maybe that's what I should do. So I'm thinking, because I'm looking at the spread, thinking, is it full? Is it ready? Is that enough space? I think I have 2 events on Friday, you guys. I'm not completely sure, but if I do, that means I have to add one more box. Yeah, so let's do that. Okay, let's see. I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna add this little like tiny thing, or like not tiny but very delicate thing on here, kind of loop these flowers with this box and see how that feels. So there's that. I will also add more kind of on this side too. I don't know where yet, so maybe this one can go back because it doesn't fit any edges. Actually, let's see, that might work. Yeah, that looks good. So that can stay in there. And then I need something on the other side so it doesn't look like it's just one side. Let's put that little guy here. Do you see how these pet tapes are kind of opaque, so they don't show a lot of the color through? Like even the color is not seeping from behind the sticker. Like even that little flower I just put on top of the box does not do that. So yeah, I want one more big one, maybe on Sunday, like underneath that pet tape. Not pet tape, washi tape. You guys, I'm losing my mind. I don't even know what tapes are what tapes. So I'm just gonna go through them. So this is all from one collection from Easter Case, and I really love it. And then the rest of the flowers in the boxes are from Live Love Posh. So it complements each other pretty well. And I think I am done. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. You let me know what you think, whether you like the spread or whether you think it's not enough or too much. Like, let me know if you guys like this, and I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks so much for spending time with me, and if you're not subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so. Thank you. Bye.